When creating pre-decorated products within an affiliate website, you're going to have pricing that adds up using the decoration and the blank product pricing. Now, do know that we can assign a specific contract price level to a particular store so that it controls what that math really is doing. So if we want to have a different blank product price or a different decoration price or both for a particular website, we can create a contract price level in products. We can update the blank product markup percentage within products. We can create a different decoration price table and decoration processes, map them to that contract price level, and then assign it to the particular store by going into the administration, contract price level, and selecting the price level that we want to use for this particular website. Now, do know that customers also can have a particular contract price level. And the what will take precedence, if you're ever wondering something like this, because, hey, I often forget, simply come out to the AI chat tool Demi. If a customer has a contract price level and so does a website, which takes precedence. I know I didn't spell any of that correctly, but that's why we love AI. Demi is going to do this quick research, and she's going to immediately tell us, okay, the customer or the customer's contract price level will take precedence. So if you have a store contract price level, and then we have a customer who's on a different contract price level, the customers is going to take the override and take precedence.